Hey team, Coach JB and Coach Andy here. Today we want to talk to you guys about how to get that transformation you're after. When we think about transformation, there's a few things that matter, or key ingredients. We're going to boil it down to 3. Number 1, being motivated and having fun so you keep coming in. Number 2, knowing what to do when you get here. Well, F45 TV and your trainers have that covered. And number 3, pushing yourself to a new level regularly. In our world, we call that progressive overload. And when we overload our body or increase the intensity over time, get comfortable with being uncomfortable, our body adapts to that new stimulus. If we fail to do that, it stays status quo, because that's what it's great at doing.
So what does that mean for our workouts at F45? We're encouraging you to track your progress, to know where you're starting from and where you're going to see that you can push yourself to improve. So we encourage journaling. Journal where you're starting from with the amount of repetitions you're doing for certain exercises and the amount of kilograms you're picking up for things like goblet squats, deadlifts, bench press, and maybe the amount of repetitions you're doing for your bench hops, burpees, and the number on the rowing machine.
All right, team, so if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. So now we're gonna get those journals out as we continue to progress and make sure that we're pushing ourselves every time we come in.